In documenting the organization of the Meridian Church, Luke's first line reads, "Then he called his 12 disciples together and gave them power and authority." Gifts not granted on the basis of impressive credentials, nor determined by tradition or birthright. They're not bestowed by a divinity school or a theological seminary. They are conferred only by the laying on of hands, by one who has had authorized hands laid on him in an unbroken sequence back to the source of all divine authority, the Lord Jesus Christ. And in a church that understands the gift of mercy, wouldn't it be another marvelous evidence of that church's truthfulness to see these blessings and covenants go to our deceased kindred, those of our families who've gone before us? Should they be penalized because they did not have access to the gospel or the laying on of hands, or because they were born at a time or in a place when divine ordinances and covenants were not available to them? The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints has sacred, dedicated houses of the Lord in which merciful, salvific work is being done vicariously every day and night for these deceased, as well as offering worship opportunities and ordinances for the living. To my knowledge, this particular evidence of God's truth, his universal love for the living and the dead, is not seen elsewhere in the world, except in one church that demonstrates truth in this particular regard, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.